चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Remember, there's a lot of anti-incumbency that is set in as far as Jitendra Singh's constituency is concerned. Will that really change, Colonel Ashok, in terms of, you've gone into each of these individual constituencies too? Okay.
Udhampur, both BJP is winning, and then the Ladakh.
So is there anything to suggest that, yes, there is the anti-incumbency really setting in as far as these hotly contested
when you talk
seats are
of Jammu
concerned?
and Kashmir and Udhampur, they have suffered a lot in the hand of Abdullahs or Muftis. So they want an alternative. They want somebody to else, and by supporting the BJP, they are looking at someday we'll form a BJP government or BJP dominated government. In the J&K means now it's all divided.
And remember, this is the first election after abrogation of Article 370.
Yes.
So that, because remember, I think Prime
And it
Minister
had the highest voting percentage since independence.
Yeah, exactly. And Prime Minister addressed two rallies in Jammu region, one rally in Srinagar. And I think he underscored the point that no Michael Lal can now bring back Article 370. It was an open dare from Jammu and Kashmir, and interestingly so, Saurabh Shah, interestingly so, and this is very interesting, right? This is something we're going to discuss all day perhaps whenever we discuss Kashmir. A party like PDP, in its manifesto, did not mention Article 370. Right. It's just a big thing.
Did you see what? No, but the Mehbooba's daughter last evening has put out a social media message that if at all the BJP basically crosses 300, then we are into a fascist regime altogether. Now, this was the same Iltija who, during the entire campaigning that she was doing, Suvida, if you can also come in, we have seen not a single word, and that's the interesting narrative that was emerging, not a single word about 370. In fact, Omar Abdullah in an interview to Republic TV also said that dekha jayega what will happen, and also goes on to indicate that we will once again go back to the court. So somewhere down the line, it was taken into consideration that this is an old chapter, this is not coming back. They have accepted that.
The common man
the biggest strength of this election is that Jammu Kashmir has gone into mainstream. It has voted on its feet.
It's a huge
That
thing.
is the beauty. It's a huge win for
Beautiful
democracy.
and huge.
And
Beautiful and huge.
That BJP is wise not to have its own candidates.
Yeah.
PM himself has said.
We're getting in some more
हमारा
live
देश नहीं
images
है.
now from Karnataka. I'm told Prajwal is joining us from Bengaluru.
आपको बढ़ाने के लिए माननीय मोदी जी की सरकार की नीतियों का संदेश नीचे तक पहुंचाने के लिए जो कार्यकर्ताओं ने परिश्रम किया है, 2023 के विधानसभा चुनाव में भागीरथ परिश्रम करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिस तरह जयी विजयी किया है, उस श्रृंखला को पूरा करने के लिए ये जो कुछ भी पुरुषार्थ हुआ है, इस पुरुषार्थ को, इस प्रयास को सफलता में परिवर्तित करने के लिए आज अंतिम मुहर लगाने के लिए काउंटिंग की मतगणना की इस प्रक्रिया में सारे कार्यकर्ता जा रहे हैं। आपने देखा होगा कितना जोश था, कितना उत्साह था। सभी लोगों को तिलक लगा करके, साफा पहना करके, सबको शगुन दे करके यहाँ से भेजा है, और निश्चित रूप से हम सब विजयी होकर के लौटेंगे, ये विश्वास है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी विजयी होगी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्रचंड बहुमत से सरकार बनेगी, और हम निश्चित रूप से भारत को विकसित बनाने के संकल्प को सिद्ध करने के लिए पूरे प्राण और प्रण की ऊर्जा से जुटे।